In this video, we are going to see how to make a backup of any distribution that we have installed through proot-distro. In this example, we are going to log into the Debian distribution and create a file in the Documents folder to check that the backup works correctly. Once this is done, we are going to perform the backup. To do this, we just have to use the command that you see on the screen where we have to specify the path of the file that we are going to save. Now I am going to delete the file that I have created previously to verify that when I recover the backup, it is where we have left it previously, and to verify that everything has gone well. To recover the backup, we are going to use the command restore with the path of the file that we have created previously. Finally, we verify that the file that we have deleted is in its corresponding place after having recovered the backup. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments and do not forget to subscribe.